Hello everyone. So today I'll be teaching you one of the important legal maxims in law of torts, that is Damnum Sine Injuria. There are two important general principles of tortious liability. One is Damnum Sine Injuria and another one is Injuria Sine Damnum. Damnum Sine Injuria means damage without injuria and Injuria Sine Damnum means injuria without damage. So let's look into Damnum Sine Injuria. Damnum Sine Injuria means damage or loss without violation of legal right. So damnum means damage or loss which is caused to a particular person. And sine means without. And injuria which means violation of the legal right. Okay. So here damage or loss caused to a particular person without the violation of the legal right. Okay. So damage which is not coupled with unauthorized interference with the plaintiff's lawful right is not actionable and no cause of action arises in that particular case. Suppose the defendant is doing a particular act on the plaintiff and the lawful right of the plaintiff is not infringed, then we can say that even if a damage or loss caused to the plaintiff, but that will come under damnum sine injuria because only damage or loss caused to the particular person, that is the plaintiff, and there is no violation of the legal rights. Even though malice is involved in that particular case, that is the defendant had done a particular act with the malicious intention, but still it is not actionable. So consider this example. There are two lands. One is the land of the defendant and another one is the land of the plaintiff. So here the plaintiff's land is situated at somewhat a higher level than that of the defendant's land. And consider that there was an underground water stream which was running through both the lands. Here suppose if defendant is digging a shaft in his own land with an intention to lower the level of water stream in both the lands, and suppose if we constructing a shaft there, that will diminish the level of water in the plaintiff's land. So that might be causing a loss or damage to the plaintiff. And here the plaintiff was affected with a loss or damage, but here the defendant did not interfere with any legal right of the plaintiff. So there is no legal right violation, but there is actually damage or loss which is caused to the plaintiff. And this is damnum sine injuria. And here, even though the defendant did this act, that is constructing the shaft with an intention of, buying the land of the plaintiff. That is, even if there was a malicious intention, but no action can be taken against the defendant. Because the defendant was exercising his lawful right. He can construct whatever in his land as he likes. So that is his lawful right and he was not actually interfering with the right of the plaintiff. So in that particular case, even if damage or loss is caused, but we cannot take an action against the defendant. So that is damnum sine injuria. To understand this concept or this legal maxim better, damnum sine injuria means there will be an act and that act has caused a loss and there is no injury. That is damnum sine injuria. That is, here the act is done by the defendant and that act caused a loss to the plaintiff or damage to the plaintiff. So the plaintiff was affected with a loss and there was no injury, that is no legal right violation to the plaintiff. So there is no injury to the plaintiff and that is damnum sine injuria. So this is like an easy formula of damnum sine injuria, that is defendant's act plus defendant's malice plus plaintiff's loss minus plaintiff's injury is damnum sine injuria. That is, the defendant had done an act maybe with a malicious intention and a loss or damage caused to the plaintiff, but there is no legal right violation to the plaintiff and that is damnum sine injuria which is not actionable.